What's up fans, Raju here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my this Intern Institute review video. In this video, I will discuss about Intern Institute. Does it ought to join? Does it ought to buy? What you will get inside Intern Institute? I will get the compare with other high ticket training programs. All the pros, all the cons about Intern Institute. Inside my video, I will discuss about all about the Intern Institute, and I will try my best to provide the honest review about Intern Institute. I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Intern Institute, legendary marketer, ClickBank, JBJu, and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing by online marketing. And I am working here for last 8 years. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the pang notification bell to be the first viewer all of my videos to get latest tips, tricks, and latest updates inside my YouTube channel. And you see here it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, online marketing, and you will get a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And I am uploading videos in the daily basis. I try my best to cover ClickBank method, JBJu method, Warrior Plus method, high ticket training program, free traffic, CPA method, everything all about make money online info inside my YouTube channel. So if you are a newbie or an expert, if you want to long run your affiliate marketing journey, online marketing journey, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel and you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. Why I am subscribing it? Because I try my best to provide a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. You will get the joint six-figure number on business model. You will get here. And traffic is the key to online success. So if you want to get unlimited bad traffic, then you can check it. The traffic secret, you will get the best traffic sources for affiliate marketing for online marketing. Now, at first I want to discuss about Intern Institute. What is Intern Institute? Intern Institute basically an online educational training program. It's not a software, it's not a fancy method or providing any clues, any secrets, any black magics. No, it's an educational training program. If you are a newbie, if you are an advanced marketer, but you don't know where you should start your online journey, how can you long run your online journey, how can you make big money, how can you make high ticket sales, everything you will get the step by step training from A to Z. You will get the advanced tricks, advanced marketing strategies inside this Intern Institute. But if you want to get overnight success, oh, I want to get results within 24 hours, but not. It's not possible. It's an educational training program. It will help you to learn online marketing. You Intern Institute never provide any clues, any secrets. It will show you the real online marketing tactics, marketing strategies. I am a member of Intern Institute. I am an affiliate of Intern Institute, and I will get a lot of helpful info inside Intern Institute. So, if you want to learn about online marketing, then Intern Institute is perfect for you. But if you want to get overnight success, if you want to get result within 1 day, 2 day, then Intern Institute is not for you. Cut the video and go to your bed and sleep. Now, I want to show what is Intern Institute, and it's the homepage of Intern Institute. Intern Institute is the founded by Jeff Lerner. He is one of the #1 online entrepreneur, the featured online entrepreneur of America. And you see here, he is Mr. Jeff Lerner, and he is the founder of Intern Institute. And you will get 3 excellence of Intern Institute inside the personal, physical, and professional. And for growing your online business, you have to learn online marketing first. Otherwise, no one can help you to grow your online journey. No software can help you to grow your online journey. Okay, and you will get everything inside Intern Institute. And you see here all the live uh, testimonial, all the users of Intern Institute. You will get here. You see here. You see here. You see here. So, for starting online journey, Intern Institute is one of the best training program for the beginners, for the advanced marketers. Now, I find out few big reasons why Intern Institute is recommended for everyone. Now I want to show it, but before this I want to show some of my results of Intern Institute. You see here, 4 hours ago I get this high ticket sale. It makes $1,199, and you see here another sale in 4 hours ago, and it makes $360, and another sale is $1,600, and it's 4 hours ago. So Intern Institute is one of the best opportunity to make big sales. And now see the big reasons why Intern Institute is highly recommended. Intern Institute is a proven training program for online money seekers. Okay, that I already said it. This highly valued training and statistics is newbie friendly. Anyone can join here and run their online business for a lifetime. Then a lot of free and paid traffic sources included, and traffic is the key to online success. If you have traffic, then you can make money, otherwise you never make money online. Then you can get high ticket commission using other people's product, and you don't need to do anything for this high ticket sales like me. Okay, and it's my Intern Institute dashboard. You see here, if you want to see my income, you see here I make this high ticket sales in today. You see here. Now Intern Institute is not a fancy training program like other make money online related product and software. If you search on Warrior Plus marketplace, then you will see a lot of fancy software, fancy method released every day in Warrior Plus, and you don't get any result using those type of software. At first, you have to learn online marketing, then you can earn. Otherwise, you never make money online. No software can help you to get built-in built-in traffic, built done for you funnel, done for you campaign. It's the totally a bullshit idea. You have to learn fast, and for learning online marketing, Intern Institute is one of the best educational training program. Okay, and it's just needed $7 to join, and in the video description you can join here. Then you can get sales when you are sleeping, traveling, fun with friends and families. Then it's number one high ticket training program to make over $1,000 by a sale. You see here, I make this sale. Now this is worldwide open for anyone and to be a partner of Intern Institute. For joining to be an affiliate of Intern Institute, you can get this affiliate program, and in the video description you will get the joining of affiliate of Intern Institute. Then it provides you a laptop lifestyle. If you can make this type of sale, then it's easy to make a laptop lifestyle. Then inside this training area you will get everything step by step. You see here all the step by step training here. If you want to see the dashboard, then you will get all the training here, step by step all the training here. Then Intern Institute breaks awesome living into 3 areas of excellence: the personal, professional and psychological. An advisor or coach is appointed for you, and he or she will help you 24/7 in every problem. If you have any question, then you can ask them, and you will get the Facebook group of Intern Institute, and you will get a lot of info. If you have any queries, then you can ask here. You see here 2 groups. It's for the affiliates. You see here, it's the Intern Nation group. All the member of Intern Institute can join here. You see here a lot of posts here, a lot of helpful content here. I am proud to be a part of this Intern Institute and this group. And it's this group for the affiliates, and Mr. Founder of this Intern Institute, Mr. Jeff Lanner, appears here with a live video, live coaching for various traffic sources, marketing statistics, new updates inside this affiliate group for promoting this Intern Institute or any affiliate program. Then Intern Institute is so much safe and you can join here only for $7, and in the video description you can get the link to be a part of Intern Institute to get high quality training for affiliate marketing, online marketing. So guys, I can say Intern Institute ought to join, because Intern Institute learn me all the credit, all the commissions credit is for Intern Institute, and I joined few days ago. Intern Institute learned me how to get unlimited free traffic, and all the commissions I get here for free, and Intern Institute will help you to start your online journey for free, and you will get a lot of helpful marketing strategies, everything, coaching, mastermind coaching, training program, everything inside this Intern Institute for making this type of high ticket sales. And if I compare for other high ticket training program, then you see here, if you want to get high ticket commission, then you have to buy all the high ticket products inside the program, otherwise you can't get any commission. But in the case of Intern Institute, you don't need to buy other products for getting high ticket commissions. Like this, I don't own this product but I get commission. But in the case of other high ticket training program, you have to own the product, then you will get commission, otherwise you don't get any commission. Then you see here, in the case of Legendary Marketer, it's another high ticket training program. If you want to be an affiliate of Legendary Marketer, then you have to be a pro affiliate and you have to pay $30 per month. But in the case of Intern Institute, it's 100% free. And most of the high ticket training program is rigid, but Intern Institute is so much easy and newbie friendly. And you can join for $7 when other high ticket training program needs to minimum $30 to join. So I can say Intern Institute, all the positive sides of Intern Institute, and if you want to learn online marketing, then I don't see any negative effect, negative side of Intern Institute. But if you are a quick money seeker, hurry money seeker, if you are a dependent on software, then Intern Institute is not for you. You can go the Warrior Plus Marketplace, buy any bulky software, try it and fail. But Intern Institute is not like this type of fancy software, fancy training program. It's a proven training program for making money online by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. You can grow your online business for a lifetime. If Intern Institute isn't a proven training program, then you see here already 10,000 members in this Facebook group, and all are so much happy and excited to be the member of this Intern Institute. So I can say, if all those guys are right, then I also will say Intern Institute is the right proven training program for anyone to be the part of Intern Institute. You can join here, it owed the money, and it's for $7 only, and you will get it inside my video description. You see here, join 6-figure number on business model today, and you can get it here. And if you want to get unlimited traffic sources, then you can check the traffic secrets. So guys, that's it. And if you think Intern Institute ought to join like me and other marketers, then you can join it from my video description. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my videos, new updates and new updates inside my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, you can check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, see you soon, and it's my honest opinion to be the part of Intern Institute. I recommend you to, if you want to start your online business for a lifetime, and if you want to make high ticket sales like me, then you can join here. So guys, that's it, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. So guys, see you soon. God bless you. Bye.